Now we'll look at the tablet. Not every machine will get this tablet. This is maybe the most common tablet to go with machines. Here's the top edge. There is a stylus with this one. Standard charge by USB. Here's the charging port, memory card slot. Volume buttons up and down. Power button on top. Does have a built-in camera on this one. It acts as any other normal Android tablet. Swipe up from the bottom to see your apps. Pull down from the top. We should see our settings for the tablet. Pull down again, more settings like Wi-Fi connection. Here's the Aligner program. It's called Aligner CCD 2.0. This is the home screen of the program. Pressing the blue key will give us the settings menu. First setting here, preferences. Sometimes more features if you slide up and down. Red key always takes us back one screen. Here's some more settings. Measurement units. Preferences. Other options for the software. This is caster compensation. If your turn plates are higher than the plane that the rear wheels are sitting on, you adjust higher here, only available in millimeters. If your turn plates are recessed and your tires are on a different plane on the front than they are on the rear, we change this. Red key going back saves whatever value you input there. This is the test menu. Basically a diagnostics menu. Red key to go back. Database options. Backup restore feature. Software updates. It will check automatically for updates when connected to the internet. Printer menu. You can enter your information here. This will be put on the printout that the customer receives. So you can put the shop's name, address, phone number. There are two different types of reports. The table is the data style printout, while graphic is a graphical style printout showing you the wheels leaning in or out. Graphical printout, more popular for the customers. So the database vehicle search. Alphabetical order. We'll select just a random vehicle here. We'll select a random vehicle here in Chevrolet. This button will give you previews of the adjustment points for this specific vehicle. Red key to go back. The gray center button will just simplify how the specs are presented. Change the wheel size by tapping on the number. Green arrow to go to the next screen. Preparing your turn plates if you're using them. Driving the vehicle into place. And number 3, mounting the sensors. You also have your battery levels. Remove the pins from the turn plate, step 1. Step 2, apply the brake depressor. Step 3, bounce the vehicle to let the suspension settle. And we always center the top graph first and then level each head on that screen. This is the caster swing. Our specs are on the left. On the right is the diagnosis, the current angles on this vehicle. We'll go back a few screens. Here, you'll always want it to say 10 degrees. Sometimes someone can accidentally press the button. We always want to make sure it says 10 degrees on the blue key. The blue key will let you go ahead and enter the customer's information in case they want a printout or a diagnosis before you do the alignment. You could go ahead and enter the customer's information here and print the diagnosis or email the diagnosis printout in a PDF form. Print key will bring us to the print or share menu. This is the graphical printout. We can print or share. This is the share button, the blue one. Now we have Gmail or share by Bluetooth. If your tablet is connected to your local network, you can go ahead and send the printout via email. Then you don't have to worry about saving the printout somewhere. They'll be in your email and or email direct to the customer from here. You can also print to a PDF printer, print to file, or you can print to your actual local printer on your network. Here we're printing to a file. So now these PDFs will always be on this tablet. Red key to go back into the alignment procedure. Here we have a representation of the chassis with front and rear setback, thrust angle, and wheelbase. Green key to go forward to begin the alignment. Straighten the steering wheel. Apply the steering wheel holder. Here's the rear end showing the rear end alignment readings. The camera icon will again give us diagrams of the adjustment points. Green key will advance to the front end. Caster at the top, camber in the middle, partial toe at the bottom. Green key again will take us to the end, before and after, diagnosis and adjustment. Green key again will take us to the rear end. This is a live screen. We can go into wheels free mode here, the center key. Green key to confirm. Back on the rear end live adjustment screen. Arrow forward to the front end. We can go to total toe here by highlighting toe in the middle and pressing the blue button. Now we have total toe. Back to individual partial toe. Highlight caster. We can freeze and unfreeze the caster readings. Blue key will freeze them back into place. Again, we have pictures of the adjustment points. On most vehicles, not all. Green key again takes us to the rear because we're still in wheels free mode. Green key again, front end. Exit wheels free mode. Green key again to go to the final page. Blue button with the arrow will again let us share or print